Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 18th, 2022. We are going to talk about Ankr today and try to see if this is a buying opportunity. I mean, look at the chart right now in front of you. The price in Ankr is trading around 3 cents, almost 4 cents right now. You guys can see that we've been in a downturn into the market in Ankr. So I wanted to come through and provide my community an update as to what I'm seeing currently for this cryptocurrency. So before I get started, welcome everyone to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do the price predictions. I come through to try to show you all that it doesn't have to be confusing. You don't have to spend a whole lot of time trying to research these cryptocurrencies, these projects, just to try to figure out where it's going to be in the next couple of years. You can actually tell simply by looking at the price. So let's go ahead and talk about that real quick. Y'all appreciate it. Hit the like button. Should have been also subscribe here to my channel. Tap the bell notification as well, because I do recommend that, so that each and every one of you will become notified whenever I upload my videos to this platform. All right, so check this out. March the 21st was the last time I did a video for Ankr, and I was playing the strength in the market at that particular time. I was looking for the price in Ankr to go up. You guys can clearly tell it did. It hit our ultimate TP price right here on March the 28th. So from the 21st to March the 28th, we was able to get that 19.16% out the market. And you guys can tell even that the market, from where I was expecting it to go, did not even go that high. It went all the way up there towards 10 cents, 10.5 cents. I had my ultimate TP price right there around 9. So we was pretty much in the ballpark before the market started trending lower. This is how you're able to win and be more consistent at winning in this game. So congratulations to those who also saw the same thing at that particular moment, because now things has changed, right? You guys can tell as I zoom out of this price chart that the market in Ankr is no longer trending sideways. We broke the trend. So this particular consolidational channel that I have drawn on the chart is no longer applicable. We need to get rid of it, right? And we can still see here that, seeing that Ankr has broken that 6 cents to the downside, that any movement to the upside would now be a placeholder for sellers, right? So I'm gonna bring down this horizontal line as a reference point so that we all can see where the problem is going to be for the buyers. This is where the buyers are going to have issues breaking price up above, which is around 5 cents or a nickel. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this real quick. I wanted to see if this market in Ankr is still in a very slight uptrend, right? You guys can see as we came down here on May the 13th, the market came through and almost bounced off that ascending line. So yeah, we're still generally in a upward trend into the market in Ankr, which is very good. So if you were to consider this being a buying opportunity, then yes, when the market in Ankr came down here on May the 13th and bounced off this trend, that was the buying opportunity. Did you take advantage of it? Let's go ahead and look at the market in Ankr on a 3-day time frame real quick. Show you all what we got going on into the market, and so far it's so good. I mean, right here on this 3-day price bar represents that the market in Ankr received a lot of buying. This is why the market on this next completed 3-day price bar closed at the high of the bar. So I still suspect that there's a little bit more strength here into the market right now in Ankr, but we still got that nickel. This nickel area is where I'm suspecting the price to try to come back down. All right, look at this on the 2-day. So currently we're still involved into trying to lift this price up in Ankr. There is a sell point right here though, right there. That is why the market currently in Ankr is not able to trade above 0.042, because there's selling going on right there. This is Ankr on the 5-day. Okay, look at Ankr on the weekly. So what I'm getting at generally is that we're at a probable precursive strength, meaning that we gotta let this time go on to see whether or not the buyers really want to lift price. We haven't seen it as a definite that the buyers really want to lift price in Ankr, but they're there. We came through and saw buyers come in and hold up price on this trend. That's one. And then two, we're seeing buyers come in the market here on a 3-day time frame. So yes, can we see price lift in Ankr? Yeah, we can. But I really want to put that into context. I don't want you all to think that it's going to be a moonshot to 10 cents, right? But there is some strength involved right now into the market in Ankr. So I am going to play the strength here into this particular cryptocurrency. But understand, I said 0.042 is restriction, meaning that price may not even break above 0.042. And if it doesn't, we know what we need to do. We need to cut the play. But I'm seeing it even on an hourly time frame, that this particular market in Ankr is definitely giving us some strength. It is definitely here trying to lift price up in Ankr. So what I'm going to do, okay, I'm still suspecting that price in Ankr is going to go up. And my first area of us to try to nibble and take some profitability, it's going to be right here, okay, 0.045. That will be the first area for us to come through and grab some profitability. Now that's around 11%. Look at that. That's pretty good. That's decent. We could take 11% from the market. My other area is going to be up here towards my ascending line, which is around a nickel. Okay. So yeah, I'm looking for the price in Ankr to go up. Now, many of you may think that that's not a good run to get 20 something percent, 25, 26% out the market. But hey, we're only here to take what the market is offering to us. If it's offering to us 25%, then that's all we could get. We cannot dictate what we want from the cryptocurrency space. It's no different than us being into the stock market. Okay. So let me go ahead and play this on a chart. You guys can see what my expectations are. I said 0.045 is my first price target. The second one is around a nickel. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and look at this on the monthly time frame, since we have about half a month left before the monthly price chart ends. And I really like the fact that Ankr did come down and hit that trend. Like, that's very positive. That's very, very good for us to see that. Because if we didn't see that, then this project probably would have been a loss. So basically, by us seeing the buyer's proper price off of this ascending line, in the long term, we still live to see another day. This is what this price chart is representing right now, is that the market buyers are still here. They haven't given up on this currency, right? They haven't given up on it yet. But understand, looking at this on the 3-month time frame, where I have my horizontal line, you guys can see on each of these 3-month price bars that the market bounced right there at a nickel. Well, on this current 3-month price bar, we are now trading below it. So that is going to be a very hard sell area now on any premise of us trying to see Ankr go up. I really want to put that out there, so you all will understand if the market cannot break up a nickel, you understand why. Okay. So let me go ahead and clean this up, bring this in a little bit closer so we can continue to follow the market in Ankr. You guys can see what my thoughts are. I've told you, I've shown you where I think the price is about to go. And now it's your turn. The comment section is open. You guys can drop a price prediction, a price target as to where you think Ankr is going to be trading as we approach the month of June of 2022. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.